What's up, beautiful people? What's going on? This is the highly anticipated video that everybody has been waiting on. How did I gain weight? In part one, you guys got to hear about my story, why I needed to, why I wanted to, but now you guys need to know, how did you do it? How did you do it? I need to know how you did it. It's 10 steps on how you can gain weight, whether you're underweight, whether you just want to put on a few pounds. It doesn't even matter. I got you.
Flawless begins, hop off a jet, barely get rest, cash through the mud, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest.
Right into this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because I don't know any other YouTuber that broke it down like how I broke it down. Step one, the first thing I had to do on my journey to gain weight is I had to change my mindset. My camera just decided to turn off on me. The first thing that you guys need to do is change your mindset. I know it sounds a little like cliche and it sounds a little like, really? I did not click on this video for you to tell me to change my mindset. It's literally so true. I would not have gained the weight that I've gained if I didn't change my mindset. Say you want to be thick, right? You got to be thick in your mind first, and then it'll manifest into your real life. You now have goals and you know what you want to do. So basically, step one is to change your mindset, and then make sure you have a set goal. Do you want to gain weight? Do you want to tone up? Just make sure you change your mindset, and that just includes telling yourself, I'm gonna gain weight, I can do it, staying positive. Step two is to weigh yourself. What's your current weight? This is so important because you don't want to start eating more, you don't want to start exercising if you don't know where you started. Okay, it's important to know where you started. Me, I can for sure tell you that I started at 107 pounds. I know that for a fact. Make sure you guys figure out what's your starting weight. It's so important. You don't want to start doing something and you don't even know if you're making progress because you don't even know where you started. Okay, that's step two. Step three, figure out what's your body type. This is so important. There are 3 types of body types. The first one is an ectomorph, which is lean and long with difficulty building muscle. I'm an ectomorph. The second one is an endomorph, big, high body fat, often pear-shaped with a high tendency to store body fat. And the third one is a mesomorph, a muscular and well-built with a high metabolism and responsive muscle cells. Once you figure out what type of body type you have, you'll start to realize that your body is just a science, and all you have to do is just kind of experiment until you figure out what works for you and what doesn't. So that leads me into step 4. Now you need to calculate how many calories you should be intaking every single day. Once you calculate how many calories you need to be intaking every single day, now you need to add 500 calories to that, and that is what you call bulking, and basically that's what's going to give you the weight, because once you figure out how much you need, you got to go beyond what you need. So you guys are like, how do I figure out my caloric intake? All you have to do is type in caloric intake calculator, and literally there's so many calculators on Google. I will leave it in the description box if you don't feel like looking for it. I got you, boo. Trust me, I got you. Check the links in the description box. Step 4, make sure you calculate how many calories you need, and then add 500 calories because you need to go above how much you need if you want to gain. You feel me? Okay. And it also just goes off height and whether or not you're active and etc. Step 5, research what types of food you should be eating to gain in comparison to your body type. And I'm looking down because I got my computer right here. So me, I am in ectomorph. So when I was doing research, I would say like, what types of food should ectomorphs eat to gain weight? Or what type of, exercises should ectomorphs do to gain weight? But once you figure out your body type, you could get even more specific to figure out what you need to do to gain weight. You feel me, boo? Okay. Step 6 is now you need to create a plan on how you are going to eat more. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is the most important part. Step 1 through 10 is so important, but step 6 is really, really important. You need to make sure you're eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day. I guarantee you that everybody I talk to that want to gain weight tells me that they don't eat breakfast every day and they don't eat lunch every day. They'll probably eat something for dinner every day. They will also tell me that they don't eat snacks every day. So let me break it down to you. I'll also have it on the screen. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. In between breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you should have a snack. So you eat breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and then this snack is optional. So it's kind of like a little equation. I'll have it on the screen. So basically breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, and the last snack is optional. That means you should be eating between 5 to 6 times every single day. I'm almost sure that everybody who tells me that they want to gain weight, they don't eat like how I just told them they should be eating. You don't eat breakfast, you probably don't eat lunch, and you probably don't snack in between any of those. So make sure you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day. Plus, eat snacks in between. If you can't eat 5 to 6 times a day, or you don't like those numbers, you can also think of it as eating every 2 to 3 hours. That will also help you gain weight. Step 7 is also so important. You need to keep track of your caloric intake to help you gain. How can you do this? You literally can write it down, or you can download the app MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal does every single thing for you, y'all. Like when I tell you MyFitnessPal calculates the calories for you. You can even log your exercise. You can log what you ate for breakfast. You can log what snack you ate, what you ate for lunch. You can log what you ate for dinner. Like literally any food you could think of, you can find it on MyFitnessPal. It's a great way to start if you don't feel like writing out your calories and trying to figure out, okay, I need to eat this much every day, or I need to eat this, or then you got to do the math. So why don't you just download the app that do the math for you? You feel me? Like, come on now. Eating is a full-time job. I'm not even gonna lie. People think it's just so easy. And you're not used to eating, it's literally a full-time job. Step 8. Now that you're eating more, you need a gym membership or some type of gym to exercise. So this is also very, very important. If you like me, the food goes to our stomach when we eat. The food goes to our stomachs. We don't want that. We don't want to look pregnant. When I just started working out, the food went straight to my stomach. I can't even lie. But I was in the gym, so it was like, it didn't stay. You know, it was just like, okay, I ate, went to the gym, and then I was like looking toned, you know. But you need to get in the gym. A lot of people say, oh, when I do eat more, the food just go to my stomach, so I'm done trying to eat more. No, that's because you don't work out. This is a process. This is a learning process. It's a lifestyle. It's so many things. So you gotta find a gym membership. You gotta get in the gym. If you can't get in the gym, I plan on making a workout, at-home workout video. But if you can't afford a membership, there's so many people with memberships. You can ask somebody, a friend or somebody, like, hey, can I come to the gym with you? Because everybody usually get the memberships that's $20 or so, but like you can bring another person. So most people I know have that membership, so just ask around. You never know, okay? If you can't afford a gym membership, I know that some condos have a gym downstairs in their apartments. Some apartment buildings have a gym. Ask a friend. Some people have gyms in their houses or little equipment just enough. If you're in college or high school, I know you got a workout area or you got a gym area. There's literally no excuses if you can't afford a gym membership. Okay, let's move on. Step 9, research the types of exercises you should be doing to gain weight and tone up. How do you do this? YouTube. When I tell you, all I be watching is YouTube exercise videos. Okay, how can I get a bigger butt? Okay, how can I do this? How can I grow my glutes? How can I grow my quad? What do I need to do? And I'm telling you, I would spend hours just watching YouTube videos trying to figure out, because remember, you're not the only one. And that's the reason why I made this video, because I used to feel like I was just the only one. Oh my God, ain't nobody else trying to really gain weight. You can also use Google. Google has so many articles, how to gain weight, how to gain weight, how to gain weight. I can also make a separate video on that, what type of exercise I did and I'm still doing, and etc. So stay tuned for part 3 and part 4 and part 5. You feel me? Step 10 and the last step, thank God, is to be consistent and stay positive. Be consistent and stay positive. Here we go. It's kind of like step 1, very cliche, but I'm telling you, if you're not consistent, you will not want to go to the gym. I swear to God, you will stop. You will start and you will just stop. I can also make another video about how to be consistent. So if you guys want these videos, make sure you comment down below and tell me what you want, okay? This channel is to help you guys, so I need to know what you want, all right? So if you guys do want a video on how can I stay positive or how can I stay consistent, comment down below. If you want a video on any other step, you want me to talk about any other step in more details and whatever, comment down below and I got you. But yeah, step 10, be consistent, stay positive. Please be consistent, okay? And if you be consistent, I promise you will start to see results. I started seeing results when I started going to the gym, maybe like, I want to say maybe the 3rd week. Because even if you don't physically see results, like people around you are going to start seeing results and it's going to make you want to go harder. Oh, and I also want to add to this step, while you're staying positive and you're staying consistent, don't go to the gym with people that don't have the same mindset as you. I've been to the gym with people that just didn't have the same mindset as me, and I couldn't work out with them. I really couldn't work out with them because we got to be on the same page. If I'm elevating and you moving downwards, you can't help me. Make sure you go to the gym with people that got the same mindset as you, that want it as bad as you do. And that's with anything in life, but that's a whole nother video. So I hope you guys like this video so much. I haven't seen a YouTube video yet that broke it down like this. So I'm hoping that you guys tell everybody you know to watch this video. And I'm also hoping that you subscribe to my channel, because you know I just did all this work, but you know I love you guys, so it was worth it. What else do I want to tell you guys? Give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. Comment down below which videos you want to see. And I got you. I got you, G. I got you. But okay, guys, I really got to go. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And I'll give you guys a little view of like, I'll post some pictures on how I used to look. And then, yeah, but all right, guys. Bye. In the arms of the angel.
Girl, you need a man, and he need them bands, and y'all need a plan, and y'all can't be playing. Do you understand what the fuck that I'm saying? Do you understand, yeah, what the fuck that I'm saying?